So right now I'm on the marina here in Fajardo, and I'm headed to this island I can't pronounce, so I'm gonna put it right here. But I'm headed to this island for some snorkeling and hopefully some awesome, beautiful drone shots. It's about 20-30 minutes right off the coast, so we'll see how it is. The tickets were $90. I'll put a link in the description on where you can go to buy the tickets.
Which are, this one's over here, they're filled with cheese, and these are filled with guava paste, okay? Here you go.
Alright, so mi gente, buenos días, how is everybody doing? Good? Perfecto, so mi gente, meantime you enjoy our pastries, I hope you like them. This consists of 3 stages. First, we're gonna navigate 3.3 miles away from this point all the way down to Icacos to enjoy our snorkeling.
For $99, you guys can come to this island off of Fajardo, Puerto Rico. Just look at all the boats. You get to go snorkeling. You get a nice tour, about 30 minutes, about the islands, about the east coast of Puerto Rico, and honestly a lot about Puerto Rico. And then they make sandwiches, they make drinks. You can go to the beach and everything. It's just, honestly, just look how beautiful this water is. Like, you can see all the fishes, honestly. Come to Puerto Rico, come to Fajardo, and honestly, just get out of San Juan and see the country. You know, there's times where I question and I doubt myself on, am I doing the right thing with going all in on YouTube? But like, going to places like this, seeing the world, honestly just makes me 10 times happier and lets me know that sometimes you do have to quit that job. Sometimes you do have to get rid of security. I have no kids right now, I'm not married, so I can just quit my job and do this. So, I'm gonna be successful, I'm not gonna doubt myself any longer. All right, so I'm telling you guys, I just had like the best boat snorkeling experience in my life so far. I mean, I'm only 24, so I'm not that old, but I'm here with some of the crew members, and honestly, like, the best experience. Like, what do you guys have to say?
Well guys, anytime you want to come to Puerto Rico, make sure you visit us. We're located in Fajardo. We have the Kraken. It's our newest boat in our fleet. It's under the company Caribbean School of Aquatics. We'll take you to Icacos and you'll have the best day of your life.
Always down for a good time. That's all I gotta say.
And I mean, obviously, you gotta have the best captain too, because honestly, some people you can't trust to drive a boat at all, but he definitely drove the boat.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to book the Kraken, okay?
Honestly, probably like the worst crew member here, honestly. Like, I don't know what he was doing. I'm just kidding. Honestly, so amazing. Like, one of the best speakers, the best like jokester ever. You have anything you want to say?
Say something.
Well, come to Puerto Rico, enjoy the island. We're very small, but once you're here, we're bigger than you think.
Nice.
Appreciate it. Gracias.
All right.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Catch you later.
Like, just look at this view. Look at this view. This is the restaurant sitting right here, and just so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, the restaurant we were just at was so amazing. Puerto Ricans know how to give you huge portions. So I got the mofongo with lobster, and oh my God, it's amazing. And then again, look at this view. Look at this ocean right here. And then there's a restaurant right there. Just amazing, amazing, amazing service. Puerto Ricans, at least on the East Coast, they know how to give you exceptional service. If you plan on coming to Puerto Rico, I'm telling you right now, you need to come visit Fajardo, Puerto Rico on the East Coast. Go snorkeling, go to one of the islands, come to this restaurant out here. I'll put the name in the description, and honestly, just come catch the sunset out here. With that being said, we're gonna go head to the movie theater, Caribbean Cinemas, and we're gonna go see Doctor Strange too.